Hello everybody, this is Trevor Slescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. I'm just sitting down here on the weekend and I am rewriting the Tournament Day package for our upcoming Warhammer Age of Sigmar Tournament, which will be May 25th, a day before my birthday, down at the hobby shop at 10 a.m. Entry is $10 per person. We'll be giving away $100 worth of GW product. $50 for first, $30 for second, and $20 for third place, which will be really, really cool. 1,000-point armies, and what I'm doing is I'm revising this. I wrote this using the 2017 General's Handbook, and I set myself up a couple of years in advance so that I could, relax when the tournaments come. So I'm just updating the files. We're going to be using the core rule book, the Malign Sorcery book, and our General's Handbook 2018. Just to update this, we'll be playing in Akshai, the Realm of Fire. So get ready for some really cool things. I'm also going to be pulling out the Realm of Fire details and whatever from Core Rulebook and, of course, Malign Sorcery. So it'll be a really cool one, and we hope to see you there May 25th, 2019.